See how the DG1CO carbon monoxide detector, working as part of an alarm system integrated with KNX building automation, will protect you and your loved ones. Carbon monoxide concentration is rising dangerously in the living room. The detector senses the threat and sends a signal to the control panel. Information about the event is displayed immediately on the INT-TSI touchscreen keypad. At the same time, the control panel sends notifications to you and the security agency. The system immediately triggers an action, opening the windows to ventilate the room. When the hazardous concentration drops to a safe level, the system will send a notification that the danger has passed. Now you can safely enjoy the cozy atmosphere by your fireplace, thanks to Satel